All right, so good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing great today. So because I've got some time on my hands this morning, I thought I would continue on and pick up where I left off yesterday night with the bot because it's been bugging me, and I'm going to obsess over it all day if I don't fix it. So let's activate the thing and let's open up Vim. All right, so yesterday we did the watch time. Command, right? Where you would get the watch time for a user. But because of a certain delay in the event join function, so the thing works, but it works with a bit of a delay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something like this. So we'll do pdf main.py. So what's stuff today? Work on the bot. Do some work. Refactor code for the bot. For the bot. Okay. All right. So essentially, so what happens is, to get the watch time, so I did a bit of research yesterday night after the stream, and it turns out you can't extract the watch time for a user via the API. Nothing in the API gives you this information. So the way I believe Streamlabs does it is they keep track in a database of a viewer. So when a viewer joins, a user joins the stream. As you can see now, it's been fired off. So with a bit of, I think it's a minute, takes a minute or something for it to fire off. But essentially, what happens is the event join fires off, right? And then they store information just like I do now. So they store the time joined, time left, and the event part time, event, right? So when a viewer leaves the stream. So, well, we also did, yeah. We changed the gang command too. We refactored it. So anyway, we have this to work on, right? And so the event join fires off, blah blah blah, and then they compute the difference. So when you hit watch time, they compute the difference between I guess, well, the moment you submit the command and your time joined, and that's it. So there's no way to do it organically through the API. So we're going to do this, and we have to account for the delay that happens because as you can see, like a minute has passed, and now I can see that I've joined the stream, and then it says Alice, Alien Gathering, another TV viewer joined the stream, even though when I hit gang, it says I don't have viewers yet. See? But if any of those users were to join the stream, in fact, let me do this. Let me do watch time, because that's going to be my user. Yep. So you've started watching the stream 2 minutes and 17 seconds ago. Yeah. So it took about a minute, I think, to fire off. All right, but if we don't, so if a user happens to do this before the 1 minute mark, it would trigger a key error exception. Let me show you. So task for today, blah, working on the chatbot. And so if we do it now, you'll see that we'll get an error. Yep, key error 0x Fisher, because the event join event hasn't fired yet. So we have to account for this. And so we have to do, so where's the watch time? Yep. So we have to account for that time or that delay. I mean, in most cases, people are not going to do it within a minute, but still we have to, because we don't exactly know. I mean, it doesn't look reliable, the duration of the delay. So just to be on the safe side, what we need to do is we need to check for a key error here, right? Because it's watcher, so we need to do try except. We need to have a try except else. We need to do this, right? So it's key error as KE. And then what we'll do is we will essentially add the user. So we'll do this. So what we need to do is okay, so add user to watches. So we need a method. We need a method. We'll add it here. And we'll do def. Add viewer to watches. Self viewer. Yeah. And a viewer is going to be addict. Addict. No, addict. Like this. And it doesn't return anything. So we will essentially go back up to the event join, and we'll do this. So it's going to be viewer. Like that. Okay. Why is it complaining? Why is it complaining? Type annotation not supported for this type of expression. What are you on about, my friend? Time left. Yeah, no, none. And it's not going to be a dict, it's going to be a string. Oops. SDR. I don't know what. Apply right type annotation not supported for this type of expression. Can we do 0? Alright. Whatever. What is this? What am I doing wrong here? Is it too early in the morning? Let's do def. Time ago. Self. Oh. I did not. Ah, but this is not Go, you absolute dongle. It's Python. All right. As you can see, still haven't fully woken up, even though I just got back from the gym. Okay, so we've got add viewer to watches, and so now during the event join, let's go event join. We can do self.add viewers to watches, and then we can do user.name. All right, and then we can print that, and we'll do the same here. We'll do self add viewers to watches, add viewer to watches, ctx the author dot name. Okay, why is it complain? Look very okay, is assigned but never used, of course, because we don't need it. All right, so we'll add the user to the viewer to the watches, else we continue. We continue, and then we can do that. Watch addict. Da-da-da. I don't think it's gonna work. Let's try it. Because if it fails, so we add it to the viewers, but then this is gonna fail, I think. PDM run Python. Blah. Okay. And so now if I do this, so the event if add viewer to watches works. But nothing happens. Nothing happens because we need to do this. We still need to access the watcher. Let's try it like that. See how we can fix the thing. Oh, hello. Well, of course now that's gonna work. But that wasn't the case before then. See, it's unreliable. The event join thing is completely unreliable. The delay, you can't, for example, watch time now. Yeah. Yep. Oh, but hang on. Because we don't have that, we can essentially just send a different message, right? We can just say, that info is not yet available. Try again in a few minutes. Because of course, if we don't have oh, so we don't, okay, let's remove the else. Let's actually remove the else. And if that doesn't work, we'll why is it complaining? Line too long, who cares? So what's the gospel today? Blah. And then if we do that again, watch time. Yeah, you started watching the stream. Oh, hang on. Okay, so there's a problem with the WebSockets. WebSocket connection was closed, but I don't really care about that, do I? The channel was unable to be joined. Check the channel is valid. Well, it's absolutely valid, so what are you on about? Blah blah. Let's come back here and do watch time. Okay, local variable watcher reference before assignment. Yeah, of course. Yeah, so we'd have to create that again. Okay, so we'll just do this instead. We'll just send a message and then we'll do else. This. Let's go do gang. It's not working. Of course it's not, because it's not running. What's the task for today? Blah. Okay. And then we'll do gang again. Ooh. We have one viewer. Well, thank you. And say hi in the chat. And watch time. Okay, so that info is not available. It's not yet available. Try again in a few minutes. And then we should have a different message once the event event fires off, hopefully. So yeah. Boom. All right. So now if we do it again, is it going to count from the moment the event join started? Yeah, 11 seconds ago. All right. So that's good. That is good. Okay. All right. So we're done now. So we're done with this. Get diff -- staged. Yeah, so we created the add viewer to watches method, and we have refactored the watch time successfully. Git commit successfully refactored. Watch time. I'm going to push this to master, and we will move on. Okay. what else can we do? So that's good. Let's go back to the list. Get total count of viewers minus me and the bot. Well, that's done, I think, because it's not counting me. So if I do gang, yeah, it says 1 member, but it said 0 a couple of minutes ago. So that means we have 1 viewer. So again, welcome. Get total count of viewers minus me and the bot. So that's good. Yeah, because go back to gang. Oops. Yeah, because it used to be, it used to only be, no, hang on, no, but the original version of this retrieved the number of chatters, including me and including the bot. So it would return a value +2, and so at the time I decided that I was gonna sort of remove myself and the bot from that view count, but it wasn't the actual view count. So now we can pull the actual viewer count from the stream itself. Self.client.fetch streams. In fact, we've created a client here. So we create a client and we pass it the token. All right. Okay. So there's this. Right. Difference between chatters and viewers. Well, we've looked at this. Follow age and follow date. Lurk. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this one. This one's gonna be easy. We need small wins. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna do the YouTube thing. I'm gonna do the GitLab. I think the GitLab's gonna be useful too, because people are gonna wanna check my GitLab sites. So that's done, and that is done too. So we'll have GitLab, Lurk, YouTube site, and then we'll have fun with schedule. I mean, I don't really have a schedule. Yeah, let's do that. Follow age and quotes and commands. And the commands is essentially just going to be retrieve the list of commands, but I've noticed we can't add new lines to chat messages. Well, I haven't been able to anyway. So, right. So we'll do GitLab. We need small wins, so let's do that. Oops. Okay. So that's going to be GitLab. And the message is essentially going to be can you stop? Oh God, thank you. All right, so the message is just essentially going to be a link to my GitLab account, and then we can do GitLab Fisher XYZ. Check out my GitLab. Check out my GitLab. Yeah. Let me find my code. I don't know. GitLab. Yeah, I'll just do this. Okay. Check out my GitLab. Blah. Content creator, join the stream. Hello. Let's do gang. Is this you? Are you the only viewer in this stream right now? Content creator. Please give me a shout if that's you. So blah. Okay. And then we will do we'll do GitLab. Ooh, I made a mistake. Yep. Should have renamed this to GitLab. Should have renamed this to GitLab, so we'll do that again, blah, blah, blah. There we go. Then we can do GitLab. Yep. Okay, so it provides an actual link. Now let me just see what happens if I add a new line. I'm not sure this is going to work, but La Kaylee joined the stream. Hello. Is this you? No. Or maybe that's not you. Well, La Kaylee, LA Kaylee. If that's you, give me a shout in the chat. Welcome, welcome. That's not gang, that's GitLab. So actually, let me test this. I just want to see if we can actually get new lines to work. Yes, we can. Oh, hello. Message failed. Non-type object is not subscriptable. That's not us, though, is it? Let's try again. Let's see if this triggers the error. If past action equals ping, non-type object is not subscriptable. Okay, let's remove the new line. Maybe that's the problem. I have a feeling it is. Let's do GitLab. Oh. Blah. Go back. Do that again. Yeah, no. Can't do new lines because then it just completely messes up. I think it's the IRC grave message thing that sort of doesn't play along with new lines or whatever. But that's fine. We have so we have a link to our GitLab account, which is good enough. All right. Okay. I keep seeing these. Don't know why. I don't know. Maybe we should have done join channel instead of join. Maybe. we'll try that later. So GitLab is done. Boom. Lurk. If you want to lurk on the stream. Okay. So this one's going to be lurk. Boom. And essentially, so we'll do ctx author name is lurking. Can we add emojis to this? Let's try. Emojipedia, I think that's the one I use. What would be a good emoji for lurking? Let's type detective. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, copy. Let's see if we can actually display emojis. Yeah, let's do that. Blah. Okay. And then we'll do lurk. Okay, cool. It actually works. So it displays emojis. That's good. Okay. Boom. YouTube. So we're gonna breeze through these because they're very basic and very easy. So that's gonna be YouTube. YouTube. Whoops. And we'll go. Boom. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. HTTPS blah blah blah. YouTube.com/0xfisher at 0xfisher. Subscribe on YouTube. Let's just keep it short. And let's add a TV emoji. Emojipedia. TV. Okay. Television. Copy that. Boom. Okay, let's try watch time, because yeah, it's a bit weird, because that's been definitely longer than a minute now. Okay. But at least now if we do it again, yeah, okay. The problem is, let's add a note, because if it fires now, the watch time will be reset. So we need to check here. So check if user.name is in self.watches. If so, pass. Else. Else do this. And then we'll print. Actually, let's just do that. Let's just print first. And then we'll do that. Yeah, so if he's already in there, we pass. Else we add to the watches. Okay. Cool. Let's get the gang. Still one member. But now we have the subscribe. Let's go back here and do YouTube. Right. So let's try and see if it works. PDM, run Python main. Blah. Okay, and then we will do YouTube. Yep, cool. Let's actually try. Brilliant. Okay. So that's that. Okay. Let's go back. YouTube and then a site. That's a big problem, so we need to fix syntax. Alright, so site. Oh, you see? This time it took ages to my website bit to fire off. .xyz. And for this we will use computer, laptop. Let's do maybe globe. No? Yes. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Okay, we'll copy. We'll paste that over here. Go back. Do it again. Blah. And so now we do the site. My website. And it works. Cool. Okay. Boom. Now for the schedule, we don't really have a schedule. Schedule. I stream mostly in the evening, European time. on most weekdays. And sometimes in the weekends. And sometimes on Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday. Follow to stay in touch. Follow so you don't miss. Follow so you don't miss the next stream. That's a big paragraph. And we don't need an F string for this. Okay. Now Pylint is gonna complain. Like 8 is gonna complain. But that's fine. Alright. I need an actual webcam because this is not working for me. Okay. Well, now it's instant, so it's just a bit bizarre. But alright. So what was it? Schedule. I stream mostly in the evening on most weekdays and Sunday. And on Sunday. And on Sunday. Follow me so you don't miss the next stream. And on whoop that. Nope. What are you doing? And on Sunday, follow me so you don't miss the next stream. And let's add a happy face. Nothing. Yeah, that's that. Okay. So add. Ooh, boop, 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 boop. And for the schedule, we'll use the calendar. Why is it slow? Oh my god, would you just... I will use this one then. And we will add this. Lurk, we will add the detective. The beginning. Whoop. What did I do? That. Ayo, we will have hand wave, I think. And waving. Why is the website so bloody slow, man? God. Thumbs up. No. Let's do Let's do hand wave. Waving hand, that's the one. Okay. And for the gang, we'll add a ninja. Boom. Boom. Okay. Uptime. Oh, uptime, we can add a clock for this. Why are you so slow? Can you just... Hang on, what's the... Oh, God. Alright, 3 o'clock, who cares? Let's just pick whatever at this point. I just want a clock. Give me a clock, thank you. Okay. The task... Well, GitLab, we don't... So for GitLab, I think we'll... Okay, for the task, we'll use... I don't know. Document, maybe? Page facing up. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do this. So... What? Today's has not been defined yet. Today's task is, and then we'll send we'll just do that, and we'll send a message. We'll send an S string. We'll do F message. Actually, let's do it here. F message. Boom. And then we'll just send the message like that. For GitLab, we'll use a keyboard. Could you be slower than this, please? Going too fast. You are really going too fast. I mean, I can't keep up. Thank you. Add the keyboard. GitLab. Ooh, that's ugly. And for the rules, what type of emoji can we add for the rules? Oh, whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. No, nothing. Alright, let's do the board then. Chalkboard? I don't know. Skateboard. Let's do school. I'm not sure we even have. Yeah, actually, a teacher. That's great. Yeah, let's go to teacher. What? Okay, that one's a bit ugly, but some of the emojis don't render correctly. Maybe I don't have the correct font, whatever. And so for this, for the watch time, we'll do message equals that. Actually, we'll only show the clock if the information is available. Oops. What? What is going on? That's V. Visual. Let's. Okay, so we can paste now. And you started watching the stream blah minutes ago. Okay. So we'll refresh now. BDM run python main.py blah. And we will go over all of them. So AO, boom. Then we will do so we have schedule. Okay. We have site. We have YouTube. Cool. Lark. Ayo, we've done this. Gang. Can they have one members in the gang? Uptime. Okay. Uptime is good. Let's do the task. Today's task is blah. Uptime, gang. And watch time. Okay. All right. So. Okay. That's good enough. Schedule. And then we'll do commands. We'll forget about the quote. We'll just delete that. What? Just delete it. Do command, then we'll do follow age, follow date. So we'll do commands. I'll take a break, and then I'll come back and I'll do follow age and then follow date. So how long a user has been following for, and the date at which a user followed. So I'll do that. Okay. So. Okay. I wonder why the join event fires when it doesn't match the number of viewers. Alright. Because we're going to have 1 members in the gang, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 join events. And they all happen at once, which is weird. Okay, commands. So commands. We'll do CMDs. So what do we have? We have schedule. We have site, lurk, AO, gang. I think we have gang. Where is it? Where are we? CMDs. Gang, uptime, watch time, schedule, site, lurk, AO, gang, uptime, watch time. Task, get live, and rules. Alright, task, GitLab, and rules. Okay. And then we will add, what can we add? We will add a speaker, loudspeaker. Yep. Because you want to shout the commands. Right? We can do PDM run min pi again. Let's start stay blah. Okay. Great. Let's try it. CMDs. Yep. Okay. It's just a shame that we don't that we can't add new lines. But I guess that's not too bad. Not too big of a deal. All right, so we can cross that off. We will commit. And we'll say git commit. Added. What did we add? We added schedule, site, lurk. We added GitLab, and we added rules. No, hang on. Yeah. So added. Let's go back. schedule, site, look. We added GitLab and we added rules, commands, on top of some light refactoring. But okay, we're all good now. All good, so we are going to need to tackle this, but I'm going to take a break really quickly. And I'll come back in a bit. So, yep. Let me be right back. And we are back. Went for a quick bathroom break. Check the gang. Oh, we have 2 members in the gang. Wow. Welcome, welcome. So we have a bug. Bot type error. Bot event part missing one required position argument user. Okay. But we did event join. So that's that. And event part. Does it take a channel? Go back. Where's the event? That is command. Bot. Event join. Channel user and event part. Oh, it's only a user. Okay. It's just self user. Nope. What am I doing? It's event part. So let's go back and do. Let's delete this. Okay. Alright, so that's good. Yeah. And I believe, does it actually... Yeah. Okay, let's go back. Let's do game. Let me check something. Nope. Let's rerun it. Do blah. All right. So now this should not bother us because we have fixed the syntax. Okay. So they all happen all at once, which is weird. I need to investigate why that is. But before I do that, where's the bot? Yeah. See? It actually... Client secret. Hang on, so it talks to the client. So presumably we can essentially just... I think we can access this stream. So that's the connection, events, waiting, modules, commands, checks, what's callbacks. Wow. Prefix client secret. Can we do super.client? No, can we do super init? Hang on, let me check something. But because this inherits from the client, let's try and do let's print self dot Yeah, I could have done fetch. Boom. I don't even need. Okay, let's do this. I don't need this. And so let's do self by client. I can just do that. And so presumably if I restart and do gang again, I should still get the view account. Let's go back. Let's do this. Let's run gang. Bot object has no attribute client. Where's this? What? Streams. Oh, it's the uptime thing. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's do it again. Blah. Okay, so we have a problem with WebSocket connection. But we don't use WebSockets, so who cares? We currently have 1 member in the gang, and it says channel 0xFetch was unable to be joined. But check Twitch. Refresh. Yep. Alright. Do it again. Yeah. Cool. Alright. So so we don't need the client anymore. Okay. And so now we will I guess we will move on. Get rid of this. We can move on to follow age and follow date. Okay, follow how long the user has been following, and follow date, the date at which a user followed. Let's do that first. So the date at which a user followed. Let's see if we can grab that information from somewhere. Okay, so follow date. Follow date. All right. Let's change the emoji. All right. You first. Now you followed this channel. Actually, you followed at 0xFisher on. You followed on, and then there would be the date. So let's do date like that. Now we need to pull the date for the user, so we need the context. So we'll do print ctx dot author and now we need to check the follow date for a user. So when the user has followed us. Follow. No, I think it's the context, isn't it? Okay. So it's the context. Yeah. So get user. Context.author.name. Yeah, def command, that's the one. So it takes a name, okay. So no global checks, aliases, the name. This must be a list of tuple. Oh, you can add aliases to the commands. All right, that's good to know. But that's not what we want. So let's go back and dig into this. Okay. So it's a chatter and a partial chatter. So first we need to check if the... So we need to check... Cyberdump 2077 left the stream. Samuel Hogg and Lurks joined. Hello, guys. Let's see if it actually matches. Nope, it doesn't. Well, good morning, Sam. How you doing? And then there's Lurks. Okay, so this seems to work. I mean, so the event, so the join event fires correctly, so that's good, right? It's good. We're making a chatbot for the channel in Python. So if you want to watch me make a fool of myself, you can tell I haven't written Python in a long time. Okay, so we have the author and the chatter. Let's see. So the chatter gives us badges. Okay, display name. Subscriber. Mod. Nope. How do we bot is mod? No. Oh. Can we actually get the let's do clients. Go to the clients. Right. Get channel. Fetch. Is there fetch followers? How do I get my list of followers? Fetch channel. Yeah, I can. Okay, fetch channel, I guess. And so it gives us a channel info. All right. And the channel info. No, that's not that. So it's get user. Hang on. Fetch users. Yep. And so it returns a twitch.io.user. All right. View count. Profile type. Description. How do we pull the follow account? Followers. Ooh, fetch followers. Hello. Oh, there you go. Fetch followers. Okay, fetch a list of users that are following this user, and it returns a follow event, and is the followed at. There we go, baby. Well, actually, where were we? Because hang on, we had fetch followers. So fetch followers is from user, right? Let's go back up. It's a partial user. All right. So let's go back. So ctx.author.name. Okay. So we can essentially do get user, fetch channel, fetch message, chatters users, get user. Whichever user from the channel's user cache. Commander root joined the stream. Hello. Get comfy. So we'll just pull the user based on the name. So we'll do user equals ctx dot get user and ctx dot author dot name. Actually, hang on. Does it even require? Yep, the name. Okay. So we pass in the name, right? And then we say, so this is a user now, of type user. So now we can do, oh, no. I have to fetch my, actually have to fetch my followers. So let's do this. Let's go all the way up. Let's see if I can do that. Self.followers. And I can do, oh no, that's a bot. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So we'll fetch the followers first. Followers list is gonna be, so we need to instantiate a user. Yeah. Okay, so there's the user. So follow date. We'll do user. I guess name. Nope. User is, what does it require? Data. Data login. Do we have to pass? No, actually, do you know what? We'll just do this. We'll just get our, so we'll do, yeah, initial channel 0. Follow date. Yeah, we'll do self.initial channels 0. Because it's only my channels. So we'll pull. That's going to be Fisher. And then we'll do Fisher followers. It's going to be Fisher dot fetch followers. Right? Okay. And then we'll print Fisher followers just to see if it actually works. Let's do that. Test today's blah. Okay. Ooh, we're gonna have a problem with the WebSocket. But presumably if we do follow date, Yeah, we have a problem with the WebSocket. I don't know why. I'm not even using WebSockets. Blah. Okay. Follow date. Chatter has no attribute fetch followers. Okay, so get user returns a chatter and not a user. No. Hang on, what? Fisher.fetch followers. Chatter object has no attribute fetch follower. What are you on about? I mean, clearly in follow the fetch followers. What? Let's go back. Well, hang on. Well, it's user.py, right? So it's not a chatter. So what are you talking about? Get user. Let's print type Fisher. Let's get rid of this because it's a bit weird. Blah. Okay, let's do follow date. Oh, so we are being lied to because this does not return a user. It returns a chatter. What is this trickery? Get user. Can we do? Let's see if the client has create user. Gonna do fetch users. All right. Yeah, I'll just do that. I'll just do self.fetch users. Whatever. So I'll do self fetch users. And what does it take as an argument? Okay, a list of, so we'll say initial channels, which is essentially just going to be our channel, right? And it returns a list of user. So presumably we do print. Actually, we can pull the first item directly and then print Fisher and then print type Fisher and then see what we get. Blah. All right. Follow date. Coroutine object is not subscriptable. That's because it's a wait. And so we will have to do this instead. All right. Does it say that it's a coroutine? Yes, it says that it's a coroutine. If you can read, which apparently I can't do. Blah. Right. Follow date. Okay. So we have a list. Cool. What's going on here? Okay, so we have a list. So now we can pull the followers from that list. So now we can do followers equals Fisher dot Fisher 0 dot fetch followers. So now let's print followers, right? Okay. Let's do follow date. What? Oh god, so fetch followers is a coroutine to... Now hopefully we can pull the follows to follows. So do that again, follow date. There we go. All right. So now it's a follow event. Okay. Okay. So what does a follow event have? What does a follow event have? So Twitch audio user, and then we'll do is it partial user? Let's go back. Users, fetch users. Yep. Twitch.io user. Where's the partial user? Partial user. That's the one. Okay. And so now fetch followers. And it's a list of follow events. And so from user followed at. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to check ctx.author.name, and then we need to essentially check whether or not he's a follower, because if he's not a follower, then we'll just say, hey, you're not following, so please follow. And if he's been following, then we will extract the follow event, and then we will extract the date where that happened, and that's it. So that's the follow date. And then the follow since, or the follow age, I guess, will be different. We'll take the follow event. I mean the follow event timestamp, and then we will compare it to now. And so we'll do how long ago. We'll print how long ago the user's been following. All right. So that's good. That's really good. All right, so we have the followers. So now we need to filter the list. We'll do this with the lambda. So we got the syntax. Let's do Python filter list. Filter list in Python, yeah. Filter with list comprehension. Okay. Oh, okay, so we'll have a filter follower. Okay, so we will have a filter follower method. Self. Today's not the day you want to piss me off. The of him. So filter follower, and then return the boolean. Those do bool. And we'll do. So what does it take? It takes. Oh no, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. So what we'll do instead. What we'll do instead is we'll do. So for each iteration, right? Yeah, that's it. AA, blah, blah, blah. So we'll do a lambda. So we'll do filter. We'll do is follower. And then we'll do filter lambda x. No, lambda x. So, yeah, lambda x. And then we'll do x dot follow event. So x dot from user. X dot from user equals ctx dot author dot name. ctx.author.name, and then we will pass it the followers list. Okay, and so we'll do. Oops, what happened? So print. We'll do an f string. We'll do ctx.author.name. Now is ctx.author.name a follower? And then we'll print is a follower. And I think we need to do this. And then we'll change the length. If the length is 0, then I suppose if the length is 0, then I suppose we can. If the length is 0, then he's not a follower. And then we can. So if he's not a follower, we'll just send a message saying, "Hey, you're not a follower, so please follow." And else we'll pull the date. So we'll do this. What? Line 58. What? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So we can do follow date. Obviously, I can't follow myself. Boom. So is 0x special follower? No. So it's an empty string. Okay. Where are we? Okay, so is follower. And then we can pull that guy. Is it 0? Can we do this? Yeah, and I think we're gonna have an index out of range, out of bounds error, because I'm not a follower and it's empty. So let's do that. Follow date. Yep, index error. Okay. So we'll try this. Accept. 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 Okay. I can't type. So where are we? Follow dates. Right, so we'll do try, accept, else. Alright, so we'll do this. So we'll try to filter let's do that. We'll try to filter the user. Check if he is an actual follower. Alright. And if he is, so if he is a follower, we'll just pull the follow date. So the follow date is going to be we'll do user. No, we'll do follower. Yeah, follower. That's going to be follower dot follower that followed at. Followed at. And we'll print follow date. And here we'll have a message saying you're not following. You're not yet following. You're not yet a follower. What are you waiting for? We're so comfy. And then we'll do await. ctx.send message. Right. And then we'll do this. And we'll print the follow date. That you've been that you followed on date, on follow date. And this is going to be ugly because we're going to have to format it. So okay, follow date. Oh, you're not yet a follower. What are you waiting for? We are so comfy. Great. So that works. And so now, instead of doing this, I'm going to say author is ctx.author.name. I guess, no, oh yeah, we'll call it author. We'll do this. Or message author. MSG. MSG author. And then we'll copy and paste this. Instead of doing this, we will do we will pick one of my followers. Let me check. Let me check. Hang on. I mean goose. Let me take the following print. The followers. Because blah. And let me go back and do follow date. Well, what are you on about? Did I not save? Blah. Like that. Okay. Let's do follow date again. Alright. And former Goose Foundation, my man from yesterday, we'll use his name. Hope he's okay with this. Okay. And so presumably now, blah. So if I do follow date, I should follow date. Well, it's a bit of a problem, isn't it? Because should we use the name or the display name? Hey Samuel, thanks for the follow, man. Thank you very much. Name former Goose Found. What? Well, actually, let's use you. You will be the guinea pig. Samuel Hog. 2 G's. Let's do that. Now that's a bit of a problem because... Okay, so we do follow date. Boom. So you've got the followers list. Hang on, let me just print follower. Because this is a bit weird, like I can extract you. Or maybe the logic is wrong. It's X from user. So we print the follower. So we print the followers. That's weird. Okay, let's do this. Boom. And then follow date is going to be the... We need to investigate this. So follower, filter lambda x from user. So okay, x is it's the event, right? Let's do that. Let's be extra verbose, right? Follow event from user equals message author, and then followers. What is it, from user or is it user? No, it's from user. Oh, but it's a okay. No. So it's from user dot, it returns a user, right? So from user is actually a partial user, and then from there we can do name. Yeah, name. Okay, let's go back and do this. So list filter lambda blah, blah, follow event from user dot name equals this. Then we'll be able to do that. Let's actually do this. That message. So from user dot name. Okay. Let's go back. Whoops. Let's go back and do this. So now we can simply reindent everything and try again. Okay. So, while there we go. And we'll do follow date. Boom! You followed on the 8th of November at this time. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of the time. So we'll essentially just can we just do date? Yes, we can do date. So we don't need the exact timestamp. And then I believe, is it a method or is it just a method? Dot. Yeah, it's a method. All right, so date. And let's see what we can do with this. Nope. Date dot. Let's see if we can. Weekday, no. I want the European date. Give me the European date. How do you format date? Let's see. Goose told me yesterday. That's not it. Let's do date time dot date. Yeah, datetime dot date Python. It's the website. Date time Python. Let's just go documentation. Okay. Datetime dot date. From timestamp no. From ordinal no. Time tuple, ISO calendar, ctime, format, str. Okay, stir f time. Return a string representing a date controlled by an explicit format string. Format codes referring to hours, minutes, or seconds will see 0 values. For a complete list of formatting directive, let's see if we get any examples of this. So Control C. All right, so day, month, year. That's what we want. Boom. So we'll do .stir f time. Whoop. Whoop. So there's that. Well, actually, let's just do .date .stir f time. Like that. So now we have the follow date. And why is it? Atten, join the stream. Zombie Killer 4, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Let me just check if it actually matches with the gang. Nope, it does not. Or maybe it's just too big of a delay. I don't know. Okay, so follow date. We have a follow date. Now Now, presumably, if we rerun, right? If we rerun this, and we do follow time. Oops. That's not follow time, it's follow date. You follow blah 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 on 8/11/22. Yes. Okay, so that's great. That is great. All right, so now we can remove this. We can remove this, and we can just check whether or not is logged in and ready. Okay. So if I do it now, because I can't be a follower to myself. That's not a command. Follow date. There we go. You're not yet a follower. What are you waiting for? We're so comfy. Great. Okay. So that's great. So follow date is done, right? Let me actually make a note of. We'll do that later. So we'll commit this. We're gonna git add main git commit -m added follow time command git push origin master. Bam. Great. So let's go back here. So follow date is done. So we'll do follow age, and I need to make a note of, we need to refactor event join to check if the user is already in self.watches to avoid resetting his watch time. All right, so we'll pick up. So we'll leave it at this for this morning, and then we'll come back tonight, hopefully, and finish off the follow age in this, and then we'll do a bit of refactoring, generally with the code. Maybe we will take some of the helper functions, and then put them in their own module. If you have ideas, sorry about that. If you have ideas for commands we should add to the bot, or cool things that the bot should be able to do, let me know. We'll add it to the list, and then we'll work on it. I'm new to this whole Twitch thing, so I'm just learning as I go. So yeah, maybe we'll have, I don't know, a command that, or maybe a message that sort of periodically tells the users to, I don't know, exercise or something. I don't know. Something fun. And yeah, and also I've done a bit of research on how the API works when it comes to the chat, and essentially just IRC in the backend. So we'll create a client, because right now at the moment I'm having to look at the chat, the stream chat from OBS, which is a bit it's doing numbers on my neck. So I will attempt to create a nice looking TUI or the chat. So we'll be able to sort of pull the chat and have it in a tab on Tmux, or maybe we'll have it sort of running like this, right? We'll have a window like that with the chat running, and then the code on the left. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll use Go for the client instead of Python. And that's that. Let's see if anybody's around. With a gang. So to the person who's watching, Will, thanks. And I'll leave it at that. So we'll pick up tonight. Cheers.